Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cookies in Brave. Right? So first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. And once done, go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on Settings. In here, go to the left panel and click on Privacy and Security. Now go ahead and click on Delete Browsing Data. If you want a shortcut, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Again, Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Okay? As you can see here, we are being landed to the same exact page. Now, what you're going to do in here is just go ahead and leave it to basic. Select the time range. We last hour, 24 hours, or all the time. All right? And once that's done, untick everything that you don't need. Then just go ahead and leave cookies and other site data ticked. Okay? And once that's done, just click on Delete Data. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you clear cookies in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.